Hello guys, it's me again, Teresa, Miss D Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna have a barbecue marinade that I'm gonna share to you guys today. So let's start right now. I have a deboned chicken thigh right here, skin on, and this is about 12 pieces. Chicken thigh with the skin on, and let's make the marinade right now. So what I have here is soy sauce. We're gonna put a cup of it. 1 cup of soy sauce, regular soy sauce or any soy sauce you like. So I'm gonna put 1 cup because it's 12 pieces of chicken. You might add some more, you never know. And to that we're gonna add ketchup. I'm gonna put 1/2 cup for now and we can adjust it later. This is about 1/2 cup. We're gonna add sesame oil. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add some chicken bouillon. That is up to you. If you wanna put some chicken bouillon, or you can skip this one. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. Okay. So we got the soy sauce, sesame oil, chicken bouillon, and we're gonna put a freshly grated garlic. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons right now. So like I said, we can always adjust it at the end. We're gonna add brown sugar, 1/2 cup. Half a cup of brown sugar. What else are we forgetting? Oops. We're gonna add chili powder. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon if you want it spicy. Like I said, you can always adjust it. 1 tablespoon for now. We're gonna mix all of this, see what it needed. I did forget, we need a black pepper, ground black pepper, 1 tablespoonful. Oh, yum. It's good, guys. It's not quite as sweet as I wanted, but just like I said, we just put all the ingredients, the sugar and the ketchup. So it needs to be dissolved or sit a little bit. And then you can adjust it. But I think for me it's good right now. It's a little bit strong, but just like I said, you're gonna marinate the meat over here, so you want it stronger flavor. So your meat is gonna have a nice flavor when you grill it. Okay, this is 12 pieces. Like I said, we're just gonna look at it. You might not have to put all of it. So you just turn it like that, so you get all the marinade. There you go, guys. So I ending up putting 8 pieces, and I have 4 pieces of Thai that actually I can make a chicken katsu later, or put it in a mongo beans for seasoning. So this one you can actually, if you're gonna cook it today, give it about half an hour to an hour. It's actually better overnight. So this is the basically the finished product, not the finished product, but the marinated chicken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grill this later on, and I will show you the finished product. So try this, guys. The marinade is really good. You cannot go wrong. So see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you try the marinade that I make. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching.